And we're going to play just these first three notes. C, A, G. Your turn. And then the next three notes. F, G, A. Nice and softly. Then the next three are the same as measure 1. Look, we have a pattern already. C, A, G. Your turn. Then measure number 4. We've got a big note and then a small, 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 small. That's going to be long, quick, 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 quick. F, G, A, G, A. Your turn. And then let's go down to the bottom half of this page. We'll start with C5 again. C, A, C. And then D, A, D. Then we'll do measures 7 and 8. C, A, G, F. Hold, hold, and then lift off. Now over here we have a word that looks like the English word fine. Like, how are you doing? Fine. Except it's not supposed to say fine. It's an Italian word that looks like the English word fine. And you're actually supposed to say fine. So go ahead and just practice saying fine. Like pizza, or lasagna, or fine. I'm getting hungry. It's only morning. I should be saying cafe, which is the Italian word for coffee. Okay, here, let's go to the top of page 2 now. And we're starting again here on C5. And the top of page 2 is just like the top of page 1. So we could try all 4 of these measures, and you'll see how it sounds just like page 1. If you'd like to play along with me, I'll count to 3, and then you join in. Ready? Let's go nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. C, A, G, F, G, A, C, A, G, F, G, A, G, A. How'd you do? It's okay if it wasn't perfect, if it's your first try especially. Try it a few times if you want, but in another lesson we're going to go through the whole song. For now, let's go down to measures 13 through 16, and here we're going to climb up in this really kind of fun way. Notice how the pattern is just kind of moving like kind of down like that? We're going to go C, A, C. Go ahead and try those 3. And then move up 1 key. D, B flat, D. Remember, B flat is on the black key. Let's look at our piano cam real quick. We're going to go D, and then I'm using my left-hand pointer finger on B flat between A and B, and then back to D. Or right hand could do something like pinky, middle, pinky, or you could use the long fingers. 4, 2, 4. Generally, we don't like to use the short fingers, our pinky and our thumb, up on the black keys if we don't have to. That's why I called these middle 3 our long fingers. You can reach up with our long fingers a lot easier, and then your short fingers can stay down here on the white keys. Okay, let's go back to the next 3 notes. We're going to want E, C, E. And then measure 16, F, D, F. Now, because of the way we just played it, you might feel like this 3rd note is always going to be long. And because most of the other songs we've played have had 4 beats per measure, it's really tempting to want to play like C, A, C, hold, D, B flat, D, hold. But there's no hold right there. We just have to play 3 beats and then go right to beat 1 again, like this. C, A, C, D, B flat, D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See how that goes? That's very important. So, you'll get more practice with that when we do the whole song in another lesson. Now, for here, look at this. We have D, C, al fine. And this is a musical way of writing in Italian to go back to the top until the finish. And remember seeing fine on page 1? It looked like the word fine, but it's fine. Well, this means go da capo al fine. That's what the DC stands for, and that means to the cap, and a cap is the thing that's at the top, until the fine. And notice how the word fine looks like the word finish. See, F-I-N, and then instead of being I-S-H, like in English, it's just fine. So let's go back to the top of page 1, and we're going to play the whole page one more time. Here we go, and this is the end of the song. Why don't you try to play along? We'll go from the very top here, and we'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3. C, A, G, F, G, A, C, A, G, F, G, A, G, A, C, A, C, D, A, D, C, A, G, F, hold, hold, and then fine. Fingers can come off. If you're using the pedal, you can keep it pressed down. And if you made it through, you can give yourself a round of applause. Great job.